Yeah. Let me welcome you and say very good evening to you this sweet and wonderful evening to this page. I know I believe you are okay. I can't say I know because let me say I believe you are doing good this evening. I'll be very happy you share this video for today's topic. Today's topic is the falling of African today. The falling of African today. How do we fall? Why and how? And who is the causer? Today, I'll be very happy you join me in this wonderful, on this wonderful message or wonderful teachings for you to learn with me, so that we can make mind, we can come together and learn something little about Africa and even in the Bible. As usual, as we used to do, we learn, we enlighten ourselves, we enlighten people, we let people know the truth. We want to let people know their origin, how everything came about, and how we were originated as Africans, and so I'll be very happy you will join me on this lesson. As I said, in the first place, my name is Nsengokoji Ojumora Ayedun Akegi Nsengokoji Ojumora Ayedun Akegi. You can call me Yakuda Quintana. Today, as I was saying, the topic for today is the falling of Africa today. Why Africa today? Why Africa today? Why Africa? Why? Can you ask yourself why Africa? Why we are poor? Why Africa cannot go forward? Why Africa is not developing? Why Africa is not progressing? Why? I'll join you with the Bible verses so that we go deeply inside the Bible and learn something from the Bible. As I said, I believe the Bible, but I don't believe it is a divine book. I believe the Bible that it was written by some group of people just to deceive and how to call it, to brainwash some group of people. It was our colonial masters, our slave masters who wrote the book just to conclude, or let me say, just to conclude slavery. And so, if you come, please, share video and the addition. So, today, I would like to say, I will mix the language, I will mix some English. How do you call it? English and Greek. I will mix some one. So if you come, I bet try say you will share the video. We make people also can watch the video as they go. Yes, there was a quotation in the Bible in Genesis chapter 11 verse 1. I'll try to read the quotation so that we all explain or we all learn. This is the time for the African man to learn and learn back. I was saying that we have two types of fighting. We are fighting forward and fighting back. For we to go forward now as Africans, as black people, we need to stop, rest, fight back. After fighting back, we continue fighting forward. Because if we don't fight back, we left something. We need to go and fight for it before we continue the fight. So please, I'm saying, killers na shase baso mahu reskutuka mahu Richard Bani amanfo ashase baso nti o baso na abombo ndene se obehye video no ye share eboa because he give alert amanfo nya alert say bibi ye dem bibi koso and I ba be bibi once upon a time Africa was united. Africa was under unity. We were united. But as I'm talking now, we share the character of Africans. We share the character of we the black people. We are disunited. See, there is no unity in Africa. Now there is no unity in black people. Why? And then we share. We can't unite. We don't know how to unite because of some little things. And the falling of Africa is disunity. The falling of Africa is disunity. Now, A lot of people have seen the problem of Africa. When you see the problem, the next thing is the solution. You see the problem, you get the solution of the problem. After solving the problem, you need, how do you call it, a practical exchange. You need some exchange in reality. You have to see, say, BB sisa, and human being sisa wo wabra individually. So problem. Now, problem no. Now, when your solution for problem now, after solving the problem no, as I said, in reality, when you emphasis, say no, your mind sisa ewo wabra. Now, I be before Africans, yeah, a problem no. Yeah, a problem. One of the problem is religion, and the biggest one is religion, as we knew. Now, after getting out from religion, what is the next? We need unity, because the lack of unity is the downfall of Africa. The lack of unity is the downfall of we the black people. So until we come together, until we unite, Africa will never stand. We will always shout and still our colonial masters will still control us, and they will control us as they are doing. So the thing we need now, they are here to see unity. Let me say this thing in English. I'm not perfect in the grammar. I'm not perfect in English. So if you can't get me well, please, it's little by little. You will soon understand me. The problem and the solution of Africa has been like the hen and the hawk. The hen and the hawk. Let me say, you have the hen with the chicken. You are in your ground, you are in your field. You saw a hawk. You saw some hawk carrying the chicken away. Are you getting me? Carrying the chicken away. The first thing you need to do is to sack the hawk, to go against the hawk, run after the hawk, and sack the hawk away. After sacking the hawk, you come back and gather the hen and the chicken. Are you getting me? You come back and gather the hen. Now you guide the hen, you put them in the good direction, or you put them in the right place. But you can't be gathering the chicken while the hawk is still around. Are you getting me? You can't be gathering the chicken. Won't be buabua akoko ne mana no embrekra akroma no ye ne ewa around. If you want your chicken to be saved, if you want your hen and your chicken to be saved, the first thing you need to do is to sack away, to get away, to kick away the hawk. After kicking away the hawk, you come back and do what? And gather the chicken and the hen in the right place. Uti the American. Nti yedi kai na ya pam akroma no. Ye pam akroma ni wia na ya be boaboa nkokọ bana no. But ye ya before ye ya again say ye be pam akroma but nkokọ bana de ye boaboa nkokọ bana no. Say ye pam akroma no ko na ya boaboa nkokọ bana no a akroma no be saba aba be fa nkokọ bana. Enti Ghana for mesrem abibifo ya pam akoko na awie akoko ne eguso a ye popam nkoko no ye mmom ndene se ekwan bi a ye befa so a ye beboaboa akoko ma ene akoko ba tan na no ye mmom ndene se ye beboaboa me ba to utie dia me kan ye no ma me se bi na ye nya da ye nto aso a mesrewa me se na ya ere ya to aso ende me ba betre wa bi me betre wa ade bi wo Bible no ade a wonni me kire the falling of Africa, how Africa fall and why, how and why. Yes, the only thing Africa need now is unity. The only thing is unity. We need to unite now. Without unity we can't go forward. We need unity. Africa, unite. Africa, we need to unite. We need to come together. What you say? It's say you boom. Say Africa you nyankam boom. Say yankam boom. Na yankoye nima. Na yankam boom. Na yanye bibia boom a. E de menka na ada. Abrofo no meko so de so saa. O tie de ameka no. omeko so de so sa wo hwe abibifo a ye disunity too much. Wo tie de ameka no ye disunity too much. Baby abibifo ba ko mienu be hia omo hia na omo ye ba ko a acha 2 years 3 years obetia na omo ntama atete obecha obehwe acha na omo ntama ye den atete me ba to tie de ameka no because of disunity, because of adwen bi a ededa ye trim eye den na ye nya asa adwen no ye be ko Bible ni ade na ye friend unity no a very powerful tool. A very powerful tool. One of the powerful tool nipa ye de ehia beakoye unity. One of the powerful friends say tool unity. After yen hia bi wo Bible. Even the God in the Bible, cannot stand unity. Even the biblical God cannot stand unity. Anytime we unite, anytime we are in one basket, anytime we are in one bowl, anytime we are united, no one can penetrate. No one can penetrate because we are disunity. That is why these people, our colonial masters, still omubuso omoyeden omu control ye no enti ye we ku bebre a oma sole wa asase so omoye consciousness omoye conscious omo say no abrofo na be haye omo fe ku na kodum bebre because of disunity nti na ekuo no ye hwe a yetu ye ni a ye nye de ye hu biem because ye nye baako we si say now at the end of the day, now I a pascal. In the mestre, you have before say you the problem of Africa. Not the problem of Africa. You solution no. Now you solve what? You solve solution. You solve problem no with unity. Be akoye odo enkambom be akoye odo enkambom. You have before no. You person nkominya too much. You triboding too much. Your dream we have been too much. Who tell the American? The battle and who tell the American? You must not tell the American you. Who tell the American? You hear the Aquay because Nyanku Pono or Bible cry. Adia ompe, the only thing the God in the Bible ompe a unity. The only thing the biblical God ompe a unity. The God in the Bible, on cry on pay unity, on pese, nipa baku minu be ya age baku. Enti, da bia ye ka kire mo say abrofo no mo kiro Bible no mo de bre no. Omo ye very smart. Omo ye very smart to the extent they say, edu mre bi na ye nanam no mo ye baku. They were united. Unity, ye baku odo ewom. Enti, ye nanam ye o ma adwen say enka they want to unite the whole world. Broni ba na broni si dabi. The only thing we can do these people is to spread them. Yemfa toto ye ento omuntam. Yemfa religion yemfa ento omuntam. Yempa kasa emfa mo because so we kasa asia e ron ba ya baako. Utie dia meka no. So we kasa asia e ron ba ya baako. Eno omu create entroye omu create brofo eno omu create alphabet eno omu de breye ena ye toto ye alphabet ni ku ye ena bra bi tro no ena ye ko form alphabet ena form language e de maaye ye the alphabet na form language enti ye alphabet no na e form united language ba broni ba ye no alphabet na broni breye no ye kabo mu no kasa na ye nya ye no e ma ye bibia ye den esei ye nko Bible mu na ye nko hwe abibi medical na makinkan 1 Corinthians chapter 14 verses number 33 obi antie 1 Corinthians 14 verse 33 me wia Now we about the book of Genesis, chapter 11, verse 1. And then additional Genesis chapter 11, verse 1. Me bɛkyerɛ sɛ Nyankopɔn no wɔ Bible no adeɛ baako a ɔmpɛ ɛyɛ biako ɛyɛ unity. Wɔn sɛ nipa mo dɔɔso na moyɛ biako, moyɛ united a moyɛ powerful. Moyɛ powerful. Nti obi si divided we fall, united we stand. And for we to stand, we need to be united. We need unity. First Corinthians chapter 14, verses number 33. And here I read 14 verse 33. Or see, because God does not want us to be in disorder, but in harmony and peace. It's a lie. It's a lie. He said because okay, other versions now. Was it God is not the author of confusion? Utie. Was it God is not the author of confusion? But the same God authored confusion in the book of Genesis, chapter 11, verse 1. Genesis chapter 11, verse 1. Let me explain it in a deeply way for you today. Now on tears here. Genesis chapter 11, verse 1. Kasa about yenya before. Yenya before who has Genesis 11, 1. Here I read. At first, the people of the whole world had only one language and used the same words. Utie. That means, na asase so nyinaa na ye kakasa baako asase so nyinaa no wo ye researcher archaeologists be ka kire o say ye before na ye te asase so dadaada a research pie uti da me ka no enti na ye before na ye nyinaa na ye kakasa baako na the whole world na ye kasa asase so nyinaa ye nga before na ye baako na ye kakasa baako. Because language is unity. Language is unity. If I can understand your language, you can understand my language. We can unite. Utie di American. Enti enonye what's it? As they wandered about in the east, they came to a plain in Babylon and settled there. They said to one another, "Come on, let's make bricks and bake them." So they had bricks to build with and tar to hold them together. They said, "Now let's build a city with a tower that reaches the sky, so that we make a name for ourselves and not be scattered all over the earth." And according to Genesis chapter 11, we wanted to live in unity. We wanted to live together. Maybe I told you today, American. Na ye nina ye pese ye de na ye baako buroni ba ye no meskata ye omudi religion ba ye no meskata ye enti time a religion nyamba ye time a nkramosum ni kristosum enyamba ye no na ye bi before ye baako ye bi ye baako ye kasa ye baako ena buroni ba ye no si dabi sa na etia dia ma me nkoye de mi nko bubu o mo kasa na me nye won kasa basa na me nsai won kasa na me nka kire o mo se o mo kasa ne hu nimfa so o mo nja o mo kasa ne ka na o mo nka brofo na me nka kire o mo se nyame na na o mo di n'echi na onye o mo ntu o mo nyame ngu na o mo bedi o no nyame n'echi e na o mo ka kire yen se ye din na ye to no atwele ye ntungu atwele mbale enye ye ntungu na ye ntu edin foforo na ye ntu Godwin na ye ntu Justice. In Genesis chapter 11 verse 1, it wasn't any about the whole world. It is talking about you and me, we the black people, our ancestors, our forefathers. They were united. There were peace, unity among them before religion came. So the destroyer of the Africans is the religion. The tool to destroy Africans is religion. So they gave we religion. Omo my religion, e ma ye krambosum, e ma ye Christosum, e na omo di nchichem e de atue because ene Kristo ni eni kramboni ade nya baako. Kristo ni tidie, eni kramboni tidie nya baako. Kristo ni ade, eni kramboni ade enya baako. Kramboni si da bi Nyankopon se yen som no Friday. Kristo ni obi si da bi ye Sunday, obi nso se Saturday. Nkramboni si da bi, eni se wutu eni Mohammed, Isifu, Ibrahim, Ali. Ena Kristo ni si da bi, eni se wutu David, wutu Matthew, wutu Justin, Ernestina, wutu yefane say Godwin. Ena abrofo na ba be say eno mama yen kasa instead of yen kasa o ma pre kasa fufura amaye language barriers. It according to Genesis chapter 11, those people were united. What is the problem with unity? The God in the Bible don't want to see unity in people. Anytime this God see people are united, then that means the God is in a hot soup. This God will be panicking. This God will be shaving. This God will be, I don't know how to, this God will be sweating. Because the God, that God knows anytime we come together, anytime we unite, there will be a problem. We will go against that God. Yes. It wasn't the God it wasn't the creator. Here, the God here is the white people, our colonial masters. So they killed Gaddafi. How do you call it? Gaddafi? Muammar Gaddafi, they killed him because he wants unity for Africa. He wants unity for Africa. Are you with me this evening? He wants Africa to be united because he wants Africa to be united. So the only thing they can do is to give us religion. You see? So they gave we religion. After giving we religion, and almost say you na. And away then, almost say you bibia. Nti ayera because ye nya baako. Ye mpesa ye be ye baako. Ma me to aso na me nya de, me nkenkan. Me to addition so verse 4. They said verse 5. Then the Lord came down to see the city and the tower which those men had built. So the Lord came down. It was the white people. When the white people came down to Africa, they saw we have a city. We built a city. We are united. We have a strong city. And one of the cities, the pillar was the pyramid. We were united. Na ye baako odo etiemu entiase wom ye te ye wase ye dwen ye ho ye mpa ye ho asem ye do ye ho ena bro si daabi me de ohaw bebre won ena mo be say ye nkra sa no be ye obi antie de ba o me to aso. Or say then the Lord came down to see the city, the tower, which those men were built. And he said, now, listen to what the God in the Bible was telling the people. Here I stand. I am telling you, it wasn't any God. It was the white people. It was our colonial masters. It was our slave masters. It was the missionaries. Those who brought religion. They saw we building Africa. They saw Africa was united. They saw the future of Africa. They saw Africa was strong. So the only thing they need to bring is to bring unity, is to bring religion. And they brought religion. And they gave some people Islam. They gave some people Christian. Some people are Islam, Muslims. Sorry, they are Muslims. Some too are Christians. I'm continuing. And said, now then, these all are one people. Listen, and they speak one language. Yes, we were speaking one language in those days. Over Ghana, Ghana kasa bia ni wa akan kasa ni wo ba Ghana ha Ghana kasa bia ni wa wo beka na akan kasa nyedi eni ete wo kan ya akan kasa ye ya dikanfo African ye ya dikanfo akanfo broni ba ye no si dabi yen say wo mo nti ama yale no mo de ma ye no yen no ye da so yale no da so wen so ye no ye mpa ye ho asem bibini pe bibini asem ye ni unity ye ni biakoye ye ni odo ye ni biakoye bebia bibini ba ko mienu miensa be hia bia acha nti wo ye sade we kura me bika yen ye aware a ye ware sisi a tetere ye nananom wona ne wona na ba ne wona na be matna asia ba ku kura ba ku ntimi wale bie odo no wo mu unity no wo mu biakoye no wo mu ba te ne hwe ya wale ende obi wale a 2 years 3 years 2 years 3 years 2 years 3 years na wale na yeden egu because ye ni odo ye nye ba ko ye no ye ho enti me catch us the falling of Africa is because ye nye ba ko disunity disorder confusion mentene wase me so sin we me menyensa sin we me osika sin we me wotumi sin we oba daben we o ye den nti so bi be na oka nyensa sem kra ye ntie no na Nyankopon a 1 Corinthians chapter 14 verse 33 wo se wonye basabasa ne sakasaka Nyankopon no eye den na wodi sakasaka eye den ebre nipa Genesis chapter 11 na nkrofo bi kakasa baako omo wodo omo ye baako eti omo wase ena omo se dabi ye mpese daate ye beskata no kirese na omo mpese omo amambre besei omo mpese omo kasa besei omo mpese omo din bayira omo mpese omo bibia bayede e bayira enti sa na tie dia ye besikuro ye nsidan ye nsikuro na ye mkpokuro no ban ye mbo ye kasa ho ban ye mbo ye bia no ban ye mbo ye atade ho ban ye mbo ye Nyankopon ye fa ne sai ye nimdia ho ban ena Nyankopon mehu se omo ye ba akoro Nyankopon se onte ase Nyankopon se onte ase se enkrofo no omo ye ba akoro enti the only thing na Nyankopon be yen se obeskata wo na waye wo nkasa basabasa enti ene Nyankopon bi na be ye na bibifo kasa basabasa ene Nyankopon bi na be say the whole world kasa e ya aborofo no ena na ye before ye tie be bi dwen ho eti ye ho ase wo do enti ase pe ye ho asem ena broni bae no ena omode basabasa ye den ebre ye omode basabasa kura bre ye kura sadi edi ye fene se memma ni memma wale edi abre ye e ma ni ma wale no omode abre ye last me kai de ye to aso ba no ebe ye de omode be bre ye no ebe ye nipa ni aboa wo ye oba wo ne kraman betimi ada wo ye bemma wo nya aponche a eno no na ye wo mu ana omo sa de no so aye den abre because o ma say me to adusua no so e akenkan no so o see now then this all are one people and they speak one language. This is just the beginning of what they are going to do. Soon they will be able to do anything they want. Utie. Because if they are united, they can do anything they want. The God in the Bible can't stand unity. The God in the Bible can't stand unity. The God in the Bible can't stand unity. The only thing to do away with the God in the Bible is unity. When we unite, when we come together, we can fight them. Say ye kabo mu a ye betimi adi omu sunkonim. Ye ba ya dan na ye kabo. Ye ba ya dan na ye minu mienu ye kabo mi ye adwen baako. Because and they are doing bi do obi timu say oso sin obi. Owo nimdean sin obi. Owo sika bi sin obi. Owo dibre bi sin obi. Owo agapade bi sin obi. wasi den obi nsi o sika obi nibi nti obi oni sika na odi adwen ba kora yemfa obi oni agapade odi adwen ba kora yemfa ba ka o tire de ameka mo membo yo mani da wo papa nyankopon no ka kire o mo se abofo enkrofo no mo ye ba ko te kasa ba ko ase na so mo te o mo ase a they can do something big. So let's go and confuse them. The God in the Bible descended and confused mankind because mankind was united, because there was unity in mankind. I am telling you in the other way, you have to think twice. It wasn't the people and the God. It is the black and the white. The black man and the white man. The white man came all together all the way, the long way from his home. When he landed in Africa, he saw unity, he saw love, he saw, how do you call it, order in Africa. And he said, no, the only thing because there is heat or aircon. I say the aircon na say na me papa me TV different one me sound why facha me why baby amekra na me ya ni na wono ekonu do so e wono fan wo ba ekonu do so facha me why wow nti o ma be saying nti wo hwe ye din a edin bia mebo bia edin e ba ha ni edin bia mebo bia brofudin ka ho ebi ni aje Regina Ajay Stephen wow Khalid Ibrahim Muslim Stephen Azobre Christian Abusuri Muslim Trinity Aka Kwame we de ye ba Trinity no Ebenezer Kweku Twenebua Kodia Ebenezer no ebi wom won de omode ayeye Nana Kofi Seti ankomia we de waya de Nana Kofi ena Peter Sampres we kra de ni nyina eya brofudin me ye mama edi ayere to me David why actually Junior Godwin won de omode ayeye nti obi se Abuanti ose we de ne ya Santidi Kwame Friedman acho Lenin Leonard Aheka obi kra de ne fuwa asemu enti binia Genesis chapter 11 na nye Nyankopon bi na oye obi kasa basabasa na ye buroni no e no ba Africa no mese ye kasa hye no so ma me why pa ma me ntwa so na me ntwa bibia so now these are all one people and they speak one language. This is just the beginning of what they are going to do. Soon they will be able to do anything they want. Let us go down and mix up their language. Let us go down and mix up their language. The God in the Bible, according to the Bible, refers this thing to the Creator. The Bible is telling you, say, the God, the Creator, saw the people, the whole world were united. So God said, let's get down and mix up their language. Yes, the white man came all together to Africa, mixed up our language, gave we English, gave we French. You go to Togo, you go to Burkina, you go to how do you call it? Other French countries. They don't speak English, they speak French. When you come here, we speak English. In this way, the Burkinabes and the Ghanaians can't come together because we don't speak one language. Let's go down and mix up their language. Yes, the white man came to Africa. Mix up our language, mix up our food, mix up our names, mix up our culture, mix up our everything. So we mix up our culture. We are lost. We need to be united. We need unity now as Africans. We need unity. Nana Seti Ankomia, we didn't hear there. What you say? Yet was it? Let us go down and mix up their language so that they will not understand one another. So the Lord scatter them all over the earth. So the white people scatter us. They scatter, almost scatter. Gave we Mali, gave we Ghana, gave we Togo, gave we Sierra Leone, gave we Nigeria, gave we, how do you call it, Burkina, gave we South Africa, gave we, they scatter Africa, they scatter us in pieces. Africa was united. We were Africans. It was a continent once upon a time. It wasn't countries by countries. The white man came, Mali here, Ghana here, Nigeria there, Burkina here, Togo here, Benin here, scatter Africa all together. Are you getting me? Then, boss, then give me, then put the number there. Put the number there. Put the number there. Or you write, you call me. My number, you can call me. I have the phone here so that I will get your number. 0241 539334. 0241 539334. If you want to call for any advice, you can call me. But if you call me, mind the question you ask. Because somebody asked me a question today. I told him to go and ask David. He was asking me in the Bible, David stoned Goliath. If that bullet or that stone, if David dodged the stone, what will have happened? Or say, David, Boba no two bo Goliath no. Enka Goliath dodge ya. Enka me dream say edien ene ebeko David so. Kosi we ubisa eyeyi, ubisa me eyeyi. Ebiano yembie yadwin. Yempa adusia. Yembie yadwin, yempa adusia. Na ya brofo no ma be haye. Ama sesi ya yeni odo eni bia ko yeni bi. Because video ikro bi hwe obedi atem ekire. Se hwe de ono so kire, hwe nanim tuntum, hwe de o kire. Nti ama nde tuntum mpe tuntum. Tuntum mpe fitasi tuntum. Enunie me to aso na yawie. Wasi let us go down and mix up their language so that they will not understand one another. They will not understand one another. We don't have understanding now. We don't understand each other. We don't understand another. Into the only thing the white man, the only pillar, the only thing they did is let's scatter them, let's mix up their language so that they will not understand each other. They mix up our tongue. The tongue. They change our tongue from African tongue to the European tongue. And I'm speaking it now. Oma society techremano afia before kasa and omode akoto broni kasa. Oma say bi kasa from a before kasa and they akoto French kasa and omo colonize and omo di enso and omo control ye. What a God. Nyame be no mpe bia koye. A God, the creator of the universe, doesn't want unity. Anytime this God see people uniting, then there will be a problem. Anytime this God see people are getting together, then this God will be going to problem. Why? Have you ever thought about it? So I am telling you what you don't know, what you never thought about. Genesis chapter 11, all together to chapter 7, wasn't about the creator and the universe. It was about the black people and the white people. The white people saw unity in Africa. They saw good culture, rich culture. They saw resources. They saw gold, diamond, everything in Africa. And they said to each other, the only thing we can do is to scatter them and mix up their language so that there will never be unity in them for them to do what they wanted to do. What were they? No more. They were after what? They wanted to be united. They wanted to stand We want to unite the whole world. That was the brain of we the black people. But the white man say no. Let's mix them up. Let's tell them their color doesn't fit heaven. Let's tell them that they look like Satan, Bonsam. My friend, Mr. Blackman, Mr. African, I want you and I to be united. We need unity now. The only thing we need is unity. Look at churches, Christianity. Look at division. Look at division in Christianity. Even the religion which was brought from the white people, we the black people, we have break the religion to pieces. We broke that religion into pieces. So now we have the church mother, the Orthodox, we have the, how do you call it, the Anglo-Saxons, we have how do you call it, the Pentecostal churches, we have the charismatic churches. Some people are okay with tongues, speaking in tongues. Others are not okay with that. Diversion in Christianity in Africa. The white man brought only one religion, one church mother, which was, how do you call it, Catholic. After we scatter everything by ourselves. I won't talk much, but the only thing I have for my people, those who want to be enlightened, those who want the truth, those who need unity, those who want Africa to be Africa, those who want the power of Africa to return back, I'm talking to you. We need unity. We don't need backbiting. We need unity. Then we should put selfishness away. Selfishness. And I am that. And I am this. And you are this. And you are that. And I am this, and I am that, and you are this, and you are that. That is the problem of we the black people. That is why we cannot go for it, because we are too selfish. Selfish. And I don't blame we. I don't blame us. Sorry. I don't blame us. It's not we, W-E. No. I'm using S. I told you I'm not perfect in the grammar. So if you listen to me, I told you already. Grammar, English is not my language. Aha. I am telling you, me can't crack you, Muto Casantimudufu. I am telling you, me can't crack you, Muto Casantimudufu. You better listen and listen good. Tiena Tieni, Nunafu Numadase. The white man wanted something in Africa. Broni Pebibi, our baby man. When you went back to Toko, I said, you're most say. So I said once upon a time in my video, I said, the white man wanted to steal your land. That is why they promise you heaven. Broni person we are assassin, and until I order heaven as a book. Oh, Broni Buffy, oh, we for sorry. I'm some about heaven. So every black man, every Christian man is waiting for a place called heaven. And until Broni Pia, baby, I have heaven. I'm saying, se dombo, it effect upon your heaven. May work on your heaven. I don't know, it is only in Christianity, it is only in religion. Before we can see God, we need to die before we see God. Why can't we see that God? Somebody saw that God. Why can't we see that God? This is when if I say something, somebody will tell me, am I wrong? Is this guy wrong? Is this guy okay? I am okay. I am 100% okay. This is the Bible. Somebody saw God in the Bible without dying. The same God is not changing. Why are you telling me before I will see that God, I and you, we need to die before? Bible obi nyankopon when wu ade ntira wo ka kire me say me sa nyankopon kro na onsesa no edi se me no me ye wu ansa ya nyankopon iwe ano fuck iwe nelo okwa nwuru bale onwu ntale fotofu di mo fe ape ade mu anu wuru balo bene anafa nu ape ade mu anu wuru balo mo ba mpanare all were lies mind game eyentro kai bamba ba ala pai. This is the time. Embrem new Kobeya no. Don't wait for someone from somewhere to tell you the truth. We are the same people who will reveal the truth to you. The only thing you need is to go and learn. I don't need a God who doesn't like unity. And people were united in the Bible. And the God says, why? Why are you united? Because when they unite, they will do something against that God. Yes, when we unite, we can do something against the white people. You can't go more. You bet me back. We will take our culture back. We will take our language back. Your African way. We will take our dressing, our marriage, our everything. We will take it back. But the white man say no. They are now pushing it onto Africans, especially Ghanaians. And I don't more videos. Now person will see more videos. Subscribe to CSF Yahuda. Why? CSF Yahuda. CSF Yahuda. Ewo YouTube. Oko YouTube. When you have videos with me, it will go up. Why? Mini abuanti ya da se na adwuma wo adwuma ya da no show video ba kwa fine pa e very deep teaching bibi na wo kire ye alphabet no eno kura ni na me dim say ank no oba no we no eno ni they took the ank and gave we the cross. That's me kasembi ye ndua ye say ye ndua ye tu agu ya tutu ye ndua ni agu ena ndua ne fun ne di atire ya tutu ye kasa agu ena kasa fun ne di atire. I don't know, and I don't know why the white man didn't make key language Akankasa, the international language, but the English language. Why? Boss, you will be able to say, China, you will say, Shiabi. Medin didn't send a quaji, and send a quaji, and send a quaji. Medin didn't send a quaji. Why? Opa, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You will be able to say, you will say, Bye bye.